What's up and welcome back, it's TFTest channel. Today I am unboxing the Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G. It's really good guys because it's 37,000 Indian rupees and $530 in US price. It's good price, right? Yeah. First look the box. Box is looking same Xiaomi Mi 9 type. It's a very shiny look. I really like it. Not bad. Okay, box front side is the Xiaomi Mi 9 Pro 5G name tag here. On the phone bottom side is the storage variant. It's a 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage variant, and some barcodes mentioned in the box bottom side. Let's do the box back side. Back side is the main phone highlights and mentioned and main specifications. Some informations here. Everything review on inside the video. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's open the box. Inside the box front side, normally mobile phone here. It's looking quite similar, not different. Okay, put the phone side. More inside the box. More inside the box, mini box. More inside the box, mini box here. And let's look the mini box. Mini box front side is a SIM ejecting pin here. Free case and some paperwork here. It's a transparent case, but it's not clear transparent. It's a black with transparent. It's not bad because maximum it's protect your phone scratches. Also, this phone is made by glass. Inside of the box, front side more AC adapter and Type C cable here. It supports the 50 watts fast charging. It's really amazing, guys. It's 50 watts, supports the fast charging this adapter, and more normal stuff. It's a Type C cable. Okay, everything is be cool and no more headphone inside the box and no provide the wireless charging. Let's look the phone physical overview. The phone display is a 6.39 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint scanner supported this device, and I like this wallpaper. It's a green color, is looking good, and it's a water drop notch display phone. Notch inside the system pixel of the front facing camera here. It's also supports the Full HD video recording. On the bottom is a similar chain here. It's not big, but it's a small chain here now. On the phone backside is a triple camera setups here. Main camera is a 48 megapixel Sony IMX 586, and second one is a 60 megapixel ultra wide. Last one is the 8 megapixel the telephoto lens. That's it. More Xiaomi logo on the main. This phone made by glass, not plastic, and it's a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the back. Front is the 6 protection. This phone running on the Android latest version. Also, this phone MIUI 11. It's cool, guys. It's a Xiaomi's new UI MIUI 11, and lot of the new upgrades, lot of the new features here on this device. Coming up, I am upload the one more new video on the MIUI 11 new features. This phone basic variant is a 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant, and highest 12 GB RAM 512 GB variant. This is the highest variant. That's it. And one more new main features. This phone support the wireless charging. It's a 30 watts fast charging. Yeah, it's the world's new and fastest charging mobile. Also, this device support the reverse charging. It's a 10 watts fast charging because you used to other mobiles or gears, any smartwatches used to reverse charging support. And main this phone normal charge is up to support 50 watts. It's a main highlight for this device. Also, this device support the 5G. Yeah, 5G SIM 12 variants. I don't know that support the 12 SIM, but now it support the 5G. It's the main highlights. It's for the fast charging and the wireless charging faster on the 5G. Also, the price is 37,000 in Indian rupees and $530 in US price. Anyways, guys, what do you think? This device is good or bad? What's your opinion? Comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. More interesting videos coming soon.